Oh, decided. It's been over a year, way over a year. This car didn't start it. We just put it in the corner. It was moving around the workshop, and that's it. Now this morning, what I did, all I did, it was just to put the plenum on, temporary, because I didn't want it, obviously, the head to be exposed to, I don't know, something falling off, falling inside the head, or, just put the plenum on, just in case. It's not connected, obviously, because you see the intercooler is there, but the plenum have to be built. As I said, I'm going to build the equal flow plenum, so this is just for now. I got my old school Italian battery charger. This has been with me for over 10 years now, never gives up. It's old as fuck, but it's brilliant. Now the car is all dusty. I've just swept off some of the dust from the seat. Don't know if you can see it, but it's all messy, really dusty. I just threw an old battery there. Some Bosch, I don't know, maybe it's from the BMZ3 or whatever. It just quickly clamped, very quickly. And so let's connect this charger. I'll tell you something. Because I think the battery still has some charge in there. Let's make this even more extreme. Let's not charge the battery at all. It's a small battery. And see what happens. At least if we have life. Jesus. Ugh. You remember how tight this car was. I'm gonna show that. The S14 is not big. So, what do we have? I'm not sure if you can see here. This is my control panel. Let's put the master on. Okay, we get a power to the circuit. This is the one that. Ooh, we got some battery life. Let's see how much. I think I've connected the glow plugs relay. Jesus, can't remember. This is here, hold on. No, this doesn't connect anything. This is fuel pump, and it's going, okay. That's good, fuel pump is going. Just leave the fuel pump for now. Coils? No. Oh, this is the one. Because you can actually hear the glow plugs really starting on. It should come off now. When it comes off, push this, see what happens. Over here. This was one turn of the clutch. This is incredible. My pedals. I can't believe this. Can't believe it. See the handbrake? I want it there. That's the gears. See how to connect the clutch. I can't believe this engine started so quickly. I want it in my van. Now, to turn it off, you can turn everything off, everything. Ignition, main power off, there's no battery whatsoever. And the engine still runs, doesn't need any electricity whatsoever. You turn it off. You have to give it some vacuum to close the valve inside the pump. I can't believe this engine, oh Jesus Christ. And that is a small battery. Look at the size of the battery. That is probably from the Z3 petrol. I don't know. No, this is smaller than. I don't know what it is. But it's tiny. Obviously, it got some life inside. I wasn't expecting that because the battery was sitting there for ages. I don't even know what car is it from. All the mess here, all dusty. Honestly, this car was sitting here without being started for over a year. Ah, this makes me so happy. Incredible, incredible. These engines are absolutely incredible. I don't know why I haven't put one of these in my van. I choose the M57 N and then because it's nice and smooth, it's quiet and all that stuff. But for an expedition vehicle, I think the 606 is the best option. Yes, it is more noisy. Yes, it's not as smooth. Blah blah blah. But it does much worse MPG. I mean, in the van I can probably do like realistically, easily 30 miles per gallon on 35-inch tires with the M57N engine with the rim up. With this, probably 20 miles per gallon. So it's a big difference. But look at it. And the beauty is you can start it up. There's no ECU needed. There's no bollocks, no coils, no. You can disconnect the battery. You can disconnect the alternator. It doesn't need any electricity whatsoever. So beautiful. I love it. Obviously, common rail engines, they're beautiful because you can map them and all that stuff. But if something goes wrong, a MAF sensor goes wrong, map sensor goes wrong, something wrong with the ECU, EWS in the BMWs, when the battery voltage drops down, it may freeze down and you can't even start it. You have to go to the BMW specialist or mine dealer and get it resetted for you. This, just, you know, once it's started, you can't turn it off. You have to pull this bloody to get it off. Obviously this is going to be connected to the pipe. I'm not going to be sucking the pipe every time I have to turn it off, obviously, but for now it does the job. I love these engines. I'm speechless, to be honest. I was expecting maybe to, you know, cranking whatever slowly, but I'm not starting. I wasn't expecting it to start so easily, not at the first touch of the bottom. After a year, I don't know what to say. It's this is I'm speechless. Let me know what you think. Should I put one of these in my van? I mean, you can get plenty of power of them. Yeah, they're rough, maybe they're noisy, but Jesus, this is an engine you can rely on. I mean, my M57, and I'm mental. I'm always ahead of the problems. You know, this could go wrong, this could go wrong. My M57N so far didn't give me any problems whatsoever apart from the alternator. And obviously, if your alternator dies, your battery won't charge. Even in this case, with this engine, if your alternator dies, your battery dies, and you stop it, you can restart it. But this I guess you can just push it down the hill and jump start it. M57N needs ECU to work, so it needs a proper charged battery to work. This don't. I think I made my mind.